So in this video, we are gonna paint this Roomba E5. I already painted a 650, but I will show you at the end of the video. But I haven't painted this one, so I'm gonna paint it. I don't know which color I should start with. I wish we had spray paint, that would work better, but I only have these colors. I'm gonna start with gold. Look at that. I don't know what I should. Gosh. See? Like, you can still see the black. So, look at all of that. This blue works really well with the black. So I'm gonna do it. Ooh, look at that. Yep, I was right. It works really well with the black. I think the darker colors work really good. Like this blue. Look at that. Super good. Because it takes that fast to fill in all of them. I think what I'm gonna do next is probably pink. I don't know what I'm painting. I'm trying to paint some triangles. That's what I'm gonna paint, I think. Ooh, doesn't work the best, but here, I'm gonna actually wipe that paint off. I don't want it. I'm gonna like actually do triangles. I'm gonna actually do a triangle. So, next, I'm gonna do orange. I'm gonna do it right here. Ooh, I think triangles was a really good idea. I'm trying to make it look like a triangle. I'm gonna try yellow. I hope a yellow triangle would look better. Okay, now it's looking yellow. Oh yeah, I choose the bright color. Oh, it turned out an M. I'm never gonna use that gold on this. I'm gonna try to leave some black gaps. Which one shall I use? Paint. Alright, what shall I do next? I wonder if the brown would work better than the gold. What the? That looks like a square, kind of. What shall I do next? Oh, I'm gonna do this color. I haven't did this. There's 12 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I haven't did 4 colors, so I need to do those 4 colors. Look at that triangle. It works. It's like the D-Box water tank. Even though this is black, I'll still do black. Oh, look at that. That's what I should do with the gold. Okay, make the black a little bigger. There, I'm done with that. Now I get to use the gold. Just make smiley faces in between. Smiley face. The third one. this is gonna be the 4th one. The 7th one. Alright, so that is done. I wonder how it would look. I'm gonna let it dry, but let's just put it on. Yeah, my paintwork was actually good. It was a good idea to do triangles. So let me go show you the 650. Alright, so this is the 650 that I was talking about right here. It's like resto Roomba. Like it's 531 made. The buttons. I painted all of this. I used taped like his 531 to like so it wouldn't paint there. So I made some black lines. And I made a rainbow here on the dog. Because this is eventually a rainbow. And also here, it's all a rainbow. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Then it goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I need to do some more videos of the 530 and the J5. But I wonder if I told you the 645 I was getting. But my grandma, she got me a 645 and she bidded it off eBay. It was on eBay for parts and we got it. So I'm gonna fix it and she won. So it's gonna come on to April 8th, I think. So we're gonna fix that. 500, this 600, this was the 600 series brushes. And this was the 500, but I swapped now. So this one, the 500 has the newer one, and this 600 has the older one. Yeah, but this 600 has the newer side brush, and this has the older one. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry. See you in my next video. Bye.